Alert! Alert! If you are receiving this broadcast, then you are in the danger zone. There are two dangerous entities, so lock your doors, cover your windows, have something to defend yourself. There is first the disguiser. We do not know its origins, but they are extremely dangerous. They can be anyone or anything. They can shapeshift to any person and animal they killed previously. Best ways to notice if they are. There is no way. First, look at their eyes. If their eye color is different, don't trust them. If you notice any features on them, such as hair color, arm size, leg size, looking any different, don't hesitate and immediately call 911 and seek safety. It's too late. The next entity is actually a species, the blocks. They are apparently made of purely dirt and plants from the ground. Best ways to survive from an encounter is always to have plant-killing products to weaken them. Fire is your best option to kill them if you are in a life or death situation with the blocks. Another thing is to place all house plants outside a secured room, then locking it. They are extremely hostile towards others, so that trying to reason with them would be extremely deadly. I repeat, trying to reason with the blocks is extremely deadly. They come out of the ground. The blocks have unknown origin as well. The reports showed up around the same time the reports for the disguise came out. We are unsure if the two are connected, but we do assure you we'll get all the answers from Don't Trust Them. Us as soon as we receive the answers.